Welcome to our guide on low light photography. In this video, we'll explore the techniques and equipment you need to capture stunning photos in challenging lighting situations. So let's get started. So in today's video, we'll be experimenting with the natural light from the window. I'm using Canon 1300D and 55-50mm kit lens. So we have our object placed next to the window where we get the natural sunlight from it. This is the object we are going to photograph today in the low light conditions. So let's quickly get into the manual mode. We'll quickly adjust the ISO to 3200. Don't worry about the noise, you can fix them later in the post processing. Keep the aperture as low as possible in order to allow maximum light enter into the lens. And keep the shutter speed to 1/30th of a second. Now focus on the object and capture the image using the same settings which we applied before. So you can see the raw image captured from the camera, and we'll capture another image using the same settings. So these are the results after color grading the images using Lightroom. Low light photography may be challenging, but you can master it using the right techniques. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.